I was in Dunn's this morning doing a grocery shop and I got distracted by the sale rail and the clothes and it was mainly because it was surrounded by all these old deers like vultures around a carcass. And as I waited to kind of get to the products, the jumpers and the, coats and whatever was on sale, I realized I was thinking like a consumer. And I spend my life teaching people not to think like consumers, teaching them to think like suppliers, think like they are selling. And it stops you from being a victim of mindless shopping when you know how to sell and how to pitch and how to target. That's my theory. However, I realized as I was being consumed by consumerism that I was falling victim to being a consumer, to being targeted to just because of a sale rail. So this is just a little quick reminder to not let that happen to you. Think like you're selling, think like you're marketing, and definitely don't pitch to bargain bin buyers because they're not your client. They won't come back. They're only looking for a sale. And this is just my little Wednesday tip as I wear my Saturday club top that I got in a sale rail.